Hello, everyone. I am teacher Nancy. I teach at Despertar school for almost 4 years ago. Those are my students. Look how wonderful they are. Enjoy them.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen.
Hello, my name is Mauro. Hello, play. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us thy our daily, and forgive us trespasses, and we forgive us trespasses, and guide us, and let not into temptation, but deliver us from. Amen. Bye bye.